To set your own photo as your lock screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, long tap on an empty area on your home screen, and then tap Wallpaper and Style. Tap the lock screen thumbnail, tap Wallpapers. Next, tap Gallery, and then select the photo you like to use. Tap Done button. Here you can see some options available at the bottom of the screen that you can use to customize your wallpaper. As the example, we will add a frame to the wallpaper and add a blur background effect. To add a frame, tap frame icon and then select the desired frame style you like to use. Next, to add a blur background effect, tap anywhere on the wallpaper to close the frame window. Tap Effect. Swipe left the wallpaper until you find blur background effect. Tap Apply button. And then, if you are happy with the result, tap Done button. Go to your lock screen. As you can see, the selected photo has been set as your lock screen wallpaper. Setting your lock screen wallpaper with your own photo that you have customized, such as adding a frame or effect, can turn your lock screen into a reflection of your style. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.